Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on and use camera on Roblox. So first of all you have to go to roblox.com. Now once you're in the roblox.com or if you are on phone you can use mobile app as well. So just click on setting and go to settings. And now once you're in the setting, now you have to go to in privacy here. And once you're in the privacy, you have to scroll down. And to use camera, you have to enable camera input. The second one is the camera input. And just click on this toggle button to enable it. Just click on enable to enable it. Once you enable, guys, now this green dot shows that Roblox is using your camera. So you just need to go inside the game and turn on the camera from the game itself. You don't need to do anything more. But before going into game, you have to enable this permission from the privacy. So just click on enable to enable it. And yeah, that's it. So I'll show you how can you enable the camera in the as well. So let's do that. So once you are in the game, yeah, you just need to click on this video icon to enable camera, and let's click on it. And this green dot shows that Roblox is using your camera, as you can see. So yeah, that's how you can enable the that's how you can enable the camera from game in Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.